Cat people! Welcome to the Catlady Christmas calendar, day 16. Today we are doing another Christmas makeup. The concept for today is pretty much simple. We have done a blue makeup, a red makeup, so today it's time for a green makeup. The idea is to create a green base and then try to do a graphic eyeliner which will be the shape of a candy cane. So, if you're interested to see this, keep watching! I have already primed my eyes with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and today's goal is to use exclusively this palette right here. It's Wilderness from Beautybay, but I didn't say anything at the beginning because last time that I said that I will use only the Age of Opulence, I didn't. So I make no promises, I try to stay only there, but you know, I might not be only there. So, firstly, I'm gonna use the shade Mint just to create a transition color, and I'm gonna use it around here. With a smaller brush like this one, which is from e.l.f., the blending eye brush, I will go to the shade Forest, right here, this green one, and I will go a little bit down and I will try to blend with the shade Mint. Oops, I forgot to record sound at my previous clip. So, what I did basically was to take this flat brush from Beautybay and I used the shade Ivy here at the lower part of my lid just to create a green smoky eye. Then of course I blended everything with the previous one, which was Forest right here, and that's the result that we have. Next step is to highlight the under the eyebrow area and my inner corners. And for this reason, I'm gonna take a small brush, like this one. This is from Beautybay BB 210. And I will go, I don't know, so many beautiful shades. With Ocean, just because I can, I don't know, I think it's a very interesting blue color, but still. I'm saving the green for something else. So, I'm taking an amount, and I will try to spray it to make sure that it will be full metallic. Okay, maybe I want something lighter, like it's very beautiful as you can see here, but I feel that this look needs something more bright, so I will put at the other corner, and on the top of that I'm gonna use something else. Okay, so I found out that this palette also has Ray, which is this very nice metallic color, and I will top the Ocean with Ray to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, that's the color I wanted. It's so good. And it has a tiny green shift, and I feel that this brings the whole look together. At this point you can leave the eye look as it is and have a very nice green smoky eye, but me being me, of course I want to do something extra, and the first step for that is to apply some more shimmers, and I will apply the Breeze right here. It's a very nice and bright green, but before I apply that I will go with my Paint Glue glitter primer, something like that. It doesn't write on the... not bottle. What? Tube! That's the English word for that. Tube, people! Anyway, I'm going to put an amount on my hand to make sure that they will have a great primer and they will be as shiny as they can be. And with this brush, this is from London Copyright 204, I will take my glue, I will apply it only to the center part of my lids, like right here. Here. And on the top of that, I will add the Breeze. Of course, you can leave it as it is right now, but to me, now the fun part starts. So I'm gonna use my white eyeliner. This is Epic Wear from NYX, and I will try to do a graphic eyeliner. This time I will be a brave girl and I will try to do on camera. Now that I finished shaping the graphic eyeliner, I'm gonna take my James Charles palette, and there is a very nice white eyeshadow. I don't know the name. Let me find out. Okay, so this is the black. That's the black. So it's Flashback, the name, if you're wondering. And then I will take from the Wilderness the red here, which is the Poppy shade, and I'm gonna change red and white in order to create the candy cane that I want. Let's do it! Candy canes are done, and now I will do the lower part of my eye. And for that I'm gonna start with this eye pencil right here. This is from Wycon, the shade 17 Clover. So I'm gonna try to put it at my waterline to make sure that I have a green pencil right here. Now I'm gonna add basically the same shades, aka Forest and Mint, at the lower part of my eyes to create the same effect. My eyes are pretty much ready, and I decided that today I want to go with mascara and not with false lashes. So to make sure that I will have very fluffy eyelashes, I'm gonna use a combination. This is from Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, and this is a white primer basically. And on the top I will apply from NYX On The Rise mascara. You can see my lashes are already longer and they have more volume. This is a miracle basically, and it's quite cheap. Like I think it costs around 3.5 euros or something. It's totally worth the money. Mascara is done and I'm about to fix my eyebrows. I'm gonna use from MUA Lash and Brow Clear Gel Mascara, and I will just apply to make them a little bit more fluffier, and basically that's it. I don't want anything way extreme today for my eyebrows because the attention will be at my eyes and only there. Next, I will prime my face with this new love right here. This is Marshmallow from NYX Professional Makeup, and it's like a dream. It smells great, the texture is amazing, it's like a marshmallow. I don't know how they managed to do that. And I'm gonna apply an amount on my hand. I think 2 pumps are more than enough for the whole face. I also, oh my god, I cannot just ignore the fact that it smells that good. It's amazing. I'm losing my words, people, you see? Yeah. Oh my god. You need to smell this. Find it and smell it. While I'm letting it dry, I'm gonna apply a corrector from Charlotte Tilbury. Next step is the foundation, and I'm gonna use Bear With Me. Again, I said that the last time, it's gonna be the last time, but unfortunately I have a little bit extra inside. So why not, people? This is my favorite foundation so far. And it's skin tint, basically not really foundation, but I love it. It's just great. Why did you discontinue it, NYX? Why? I will continue with my concealer, Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX, and I will apply under my eye area. Yes, people, I'm sleepless and I'm trying to hide it, okay? As my editor was changing the battery of the camera because it was dead, I applied this one right here. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, the Spotlight Highlighter. It's very, very good. I'm super happy. And now it's powder time. I will apply from Hourglass the Veil translucent powder under my eye area to give some extra light. For blush, I'm gonna apply this one right here from Ulak Cosmetics, and this is one more time with this brush. Next, we have the bronzing, and for this I'm gonna use this huge here. It's Bronze Highlight Duo, not highlight anymore, I finished that. And this is from Sunkissed. Actually, I broke that and I glue it again, kinda. So I'm not sure what's gonna be the shade. Nice, it's gonna be a nice shade. I'm ready to accept it on my face. I'm gonna add some extra highlighter, of course. Highlighter is never enough, people. And this is from Rihanna and Fenty Beauty. How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. Very nice one. I'm gonna finish this look with some face powder, and I'm gonna use the Kosas Cloud Set in the shade Breezy to set all my face. I want kinda dark lips, so that's why I'm going for NYX Suede in the shade Copenhagen. Yes, Copenhagen. I love this shade, like it's my favorite. I also have the lip cream from that series, but I don't think that I'm gonna use it. I changed my mind. I still want red lips, but not dark red lips. That's me, people. I changed my mind. Okay, blame my zodiac. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Sunkissed and Velvet Kiss in the shade Cherry Red. It's a very, very nice red, and to me, it's the definition of Christmassy red. It's not too dark, it's not too bright, it's so good. At this point, I feel that I missed another sound clip. Anyway, what I did there was to finish with this one right here, Cherry Red from Sunkissed, and I said that Copenhagen and this one make the absolute great red Christmassy lips. They're not the typical Christmassy lips, but to me, this is the definition of Christmassy lips. Yes, and on the top of that, I added this lip gloss. This is from NYX, but it's quite old, so the letters are not really there anymore. And I added it mainly at the center in order to give dimension and shine. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today, I decided to go with a color, and obviously this color gonna be green because this is a green based makeup. So we say prasino. No, say it with me, prasino. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word prasino, Let's see your creativity. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoy the makeup as much as I do. I hope that you like candy canes. I love candy canes and I promised to myself that I will do it this year because I wanted to do it since last year, but last year I didn't really have the time for that. So yeah, I'm super happy that I actually managed to do it finally. Finally, people. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content, makeup, lifestyle, Q&As and very nice stuff. Actually, for December until 24, I'm gonna upload a video every day, so you will have a lot of content to watch. Also, you can ring the bell in order to make sure that you will be among the first people that will get a notification. Also, I have an Instagram page. This is Catlady Antigoni. It's gonna be down here. And there you can find the Q&As that I will reply at the videos eventually, some spoilers, and of course a lot of makeup related stuff, reviews, unboxings and stuff that you cannot see on YouTube. So don't forget to follow me there. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. These days are crazy for me. I'm about to tell that see you tomorrow, like this is incredible, this is unbelievable. But yeah, see you tomorrow, people. Until then, bye bye!